Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. New subscribers, welcome. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And thank you, for making it West Indian Delights. Aye. How long know the different way back when we had 26 subscribers and we stuck on 26 subscribers for about 6 weeks. Yo, love you know. There, yeah man, we're there. We are at 3,000 and counting. Thank you all. Thank you so much. It's a combined thank you. Thank you so much. Now, me dey back on the green gungo again. You know why? Green gungo, it's seasonal. Dry gungo, they are about all year round, 24/7. So now, this here, I want to do for you today a green gungo and saltfish stew peas. Yes, it is a Jamaican traditional, it is a favorite. I don't know much of you Jamaicans, but I know a lot of you supposed to remember it. Green gungo and saltfish stew peas. Yes, if you know anything about it, if you remember when you live little and dark country, them time of area, January, after Christmas in January, this is the time when them thing around. So I want to take you back in time. Now, when I did the green gungo soup, I thought you could not get the green gungo where you are. Allow no foreign, you're in a foreign there. I thought you could not. But you know what happened? A lot of people sent in the comments that you can get it. So if you are where you are and you're not getting it, they say it's best when you go to your grocery or your supermarket, go look in the produce section. It's there. You'll get the frozen green gungo. And this is what I have. I bought it like, today's Sunday, I bought it yesterday, I shelled it and I put it inside the freezer to keep cool because I wanted to show you when you get it frozen how you treat it. Right in camera, girl. I have right here 3 cups of frozen green gungo. It's not washed. I did not wash it this time because I want to show you all something how you deal with this green gungo something. So you're just gonna give it a little rinse and drain it off. That's not how you wash it, you know. We're just going to rinse it to get off a little frost. Alright. Now you're gonna put on it some tap water. You're gonna put on it and I want you to get right in. And whether it's frozen or not, you're gonna give it something like this. And you're gonna let it rest a little. What, right in camera, girl, what is gonna happen there? Some of the gungo, the seeds or the grains is gonna come to the top. When you do it like this, anything that you see come to the top, you discard it. Throw it out. You don't use it. It's not good. Those are the bad grains, okay? So we're going to throw off that set here. That's one. I hope you are all keen on this, you know, because this is how we do it. You know this is how we do it, okay, y'all? I'm showing you in depth and from scratch. So you don't go when you think and you put your gungo and you want, when you see those come to the top, you're cooking. You're cooking some that is not good. You notice, look at what has happened there. Nothing. You stir it up, you stir it up. Nothing has come to the top. So you want to go now, and you want to get your colander now, and you want to throw it out. Wow. And let it drain off right there. So we get out all of the bad one then, because I don't want you to go cooking all bad gungo grains now. So we're going to remove it, and we're going to our pot right here. If you're new to my channel, Welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. And this is the masterpiece of my kitchen, Jessie. So we have inside of Jessie here now a little water, hot water. So we're going to put in all our gungo right there. Flame up. Okay? Hot water, you know from you start cooking, kettle for boil. Remember, this doesn't take long. Okay? So here now, you're gonna put it, no salt. You're gonna smash some garlic, fresh garlic. Because remember, this thing don't take long to cook, you know. Okay? You're gonna smash some fresh garlic. Three pegs would be good. Remember to give it a little rinse. Yeah? And you go and put it right in. Yeah? Giving it a little stir, and it's okay. It's good to go. And look in the pot still. You see, right in camera girl, there's nothing to the top. That means everybody were down in there, them good like that. Just saw a little one that came up. Right? Maybe when the hot water took it, it came up. So you're good to go. Once you don't see anything, any grains swimming on top, everything that is inside there, it's good. Yeah. So we are going to cover down with girl Jessie. Yeah, that's how she run things. Yeah. Yeah. Jamaican kitchen. Now, we're going to use some saltfish for the protein in this thing here. Yeah. So when you see us back again, we're going to peas supposed to cook. We're gonna dice up some carrots really fine, almost next to the size of the peas grain, and we're going to put it in there. And you see the saltfish, yeah? We're going to salt out the saltfish at a decent way. Right in camera girl, you want to get yourself a nice thick piece of saltfish like this, and this was soaking for about 6 hours. During the period of that 6 hours, I changed the water 3 times because this saltfish will not be boiled. When we return in the next segment, you will see what we're gonna do with this saltfish to start to get this here green gungo stew to come together.